Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Daniel.
And hi, everyone. I'm Anna. It's so good to see you here again.
Today's topic is one of my favorites because it's funny and real. We're going to talk about embarrassing moments.
Oh, no. I can already feel myself blushing.
Don't worry, Anna. Everyone has embarrassing moments. And today we'll learn how to talk about them in simple English.
That's right. And it's actually a great way to practice past tense verbs because we usually talk about something that already happened.
Good point. So let's start by learning some key phrases. When you talk about something embarrassing, you can say, I felt so embarrassed, or it was so embarrassing.
Yes. And if you want to describe how you reacted, you can say things like, I wanted to disappear, or I didn't know what to do.
That's exactly how I feel when I forget someone's name right after they tell me.
Oh, that's so common. You meet someone and you're like, nice to meet you. And then your brain just forgets their name completely.
Yes! And then later, you need to introduce them to someone else, and you're like, this is my friend.
I've done that too many times. So embarrassing.
Okay, let's share some examples to help our listeners. Anna, can you remember an embarrassing moment?
Oh, yes, I have one. One time I waved at someone I thought I knew. I smiled, waved big, and then realized it was a total stranger.
Oh no! What did you do?
I just pretended to fix my hair and kept walking. I felt so embarrassed.
That's a classic one. I think everyone has done that at least once.
What about you, Daniel? Tell us your story.
Okay, here's mine. I once said, you too, to a waiter when he said, enjoy your meal.
Oh no, so you basically told him to enjoy your meal.
Exactly. I didn't even realize it until a second later. My friend couldn't stop laughing.
That's a good one. These moments are great examples to learn natural English phrases like, I felt so embarrassed, or it was so funny afterward.
Right. You can also use expressions like, I made a mistake or I messed up when something embarrassing happens.
And don't forget, it's okay to laugh at yourself. You can say, now I can laugh about it, or it's funny when I think about it.
Exactly. It helps make the situation lighter. Let's teach our listeners a few more useful phrases.
Sure. How about I tripped and fell or I said something silly? Those are very common.
You can also say, I didn't realize or I didn't mean to. For example, I didn't realize I had spinach in my teeth.
Oh no, spinach teeth. That's the worst.
Yeah, it happened to me once during a meeting. Nobody told me until the end.
Oh no, poor Daniel. I would have told you, I promise.
Thanks, Anna. That's what real friends do.
So, listeners, when you talk about embarrassing moments, try using past tense verbs like was, did, went, said, forgot, fell, lost, dropped.
Exactly. For example, I dropped my phone, I said the wrong name, or I forgot my lines.
Those are great examples. Okay, let's do a quick mini role play for practice.
Sounds good. You start, Anna.
Okay. Hey, Daniel, guess what happened to me yesterday?
What happened?
I was walking into a glass door. I didn't see it. Everyone in the cafe looked at me.
Oh no! Were you okay?
Yeah, I was fine, just really embarrassed. I tried to act cool, but my face was red like a tomato.
That's so funny. I once spilled coffee all over my shirt before an important meeting.
Oh no! What did you do?
I went to the bathroom, tried to clean it, but it made it worse. I looked like I'd been in a water fight.
That's such a real life situation. These stories are embarrassing, but great for learning everyday English.
That's true. You can also use the phrase, I can't believe I did that, when something embarrassing happens.
Yes, like, I can't believe I said that. Or, I can't believe I forgot my phone.
Let's teach one more. I'll never forget it. That's something you say after a really strong or funny moment.
Right. Like, I'll never forget when I fell in front of my teacher.
That sounds like a real story. Did that happen to you?
Maybe. Let's just say I learned to walk carefully after that day.
That's a great lesson. Okay, now let's help our listeners describe their own stories.
Good idea. You can start by saying one time or once or I remember when.
For example, one time I forgot my homework, or I remember when I dropped my phone in water.
Then add how you felt. Like, I felt so embarrassed. I didn't know what to do. Or I just laughed.
And finally, you can say what you learned from it. Now I double check everything, or now I'm more careful.
That's a perfect way to tell a short, simple story.
Okay, Anna, let's make this fun again. I'll say a situation, and you tell me if it's embarrassing or not.
Deal. Go ahead.
Singing loudly in your car, and someone catches you at the traffic light.
Very embarrassing, but I'd keep singing anyway.
Brave. Okay, spilling your drink on someone by accident.
Oh, super embarrassing. I'd say, I'm so sorry about 10 times.
Forgetting someone's birthday.
Embarrassing, but fixable. Just bring cake later.
Nice strategy. Last one. Calling your teacher mom.
That's the most embarrassing one ever.
Yeah, that's happened to everyone at least once.
I think so. Okay, now let's help our listeners review today's useful words and phrases.
Sure, we learned embarrassed, embarrassing. I felt so embarrassed. I didn't know what to do. I can't believe I did that, and I'll never forget it.
We also used some past tense verbs like forgot, dropped, said, fell, tripped, and laughed.
Right. Try using those to tell your own funny stories in English.
And remember, everyone has embarrassing moments. It's okay to laugh about them.
Absolutely. In fact, they make great stories and great English practice.
So now we want to hear from you. What's an embarrassing moment you've had?
Tell us in the comments using simple English. Start with one time.
And don't worry, we've all been there.
True.
If you enjoyed this episode, click like and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons.
And share it with your friends who are learning English.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We'll see you next time in another episode.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.